turn up. Hey, I want y'all to see something. Look, I'm a hood nigga. Keep it real. I can cook.
Flip that burger, bro. Flip that burger, bro. No spatula. No spatula. Nigga, you see that shit? We flip burgers over here, bro. No McDonald's. No Burger King either. It's hood food.
Real shit, squad shit, man. Holla at me, boy. Holla at your
Nigga,
boy.
catch my mans on the buck flipping burgers, nigga. No McDonald's, nigga. No Burger King, nigga. He gets it in over here, nigga. Real nigga life. Man, squad shit, man. I'm gonna do this all in the camera right now. Cause my nigga over here getting it in on the burger side, bro. Yeah, we got pizza though. I'm gonna eat the pizza. I want pizza. Yeah, I just ordered that. While my man flip burgers though. Like, man, the nigga a dog, G. Nigga.
I don't put my cheese on this, so I ain't gonna flip it for you right now, but I'm put my cheese on there. You already know what it is. Shit.
Already know, nigga.
Fuck with the real nigga.
Real niggas do real things, man.
True.
Real shit, man. That's real shit.
I'm finna rap about the burger.
Rap about the burger, all on the book.
I flipped the burger.
Flipped it.
3 times.
Kill myself.
Cheese on it. Crunch time.
Eek.
Where my bread at? It's lunch time. Fuck breakfast, nigga. It's crunch time again. I'm hungry than the motherfucker. Hey.
Flip that motherfucker one more time, bro.
Cheese on it.
Oh, okay. You can't flip it. You can't flip it with cheese. You don't want your cheese sticking on the bottom.
Hey, I say the cheese. Hey, it's melting.
It's milk.
Bread.
What?
It's done.
Yeah, that bread been toasted. Oh, it's them Ruffles, bro. With the Ruffles and a Lucy, nigga. And a Lucy.
Hold on. These with this and this bread.
What?
Hey, turn up, bitch.